Hi everyone, I wanted to make a video of my new Hoover. It's a Spectrum 800. I've been looking for one of these for a while. I was going to buy one that was one of the newer versions, but I wasn't really able to find one, and this one came up for sale locally, so I got it, but I'm pretty happy with it. It's, as far as I can tell, it's one of the last ones to have the Quadriflex agitator, even though it doesn't, list it as having a Quadriflex on the power nozzle itself. The power nozzle, I did take it apart because there was plenty of debris jammed in around it, and it was giving it some extra vibration and rattling. I think the brush rule needs taken apart in service to try and, the bearings are hard in it, maybe that'll help quiet it down further more. But it definitely runs a lot better. The suction motor seems pretty strong yet. Nothing, no abnormal noises with it. I wish they made the power cords longer on these. This is all the longer it is. It's only plugged in maybe 3-4 foot back behind this wall. So the cords aren't very long on these. Just go over the attachments. You have your basic upholstery brush with the little rubber finger litter pickers they use. Dusting brush. And it was missing the crevice tool, and I ordered a crevice tool that was supposed to be, direct replacement, and this is the little POS they sent. Obviously not the right thing. And it also doesn't fit in the lock, to use the locking pin. You can actually pull it straight out. So eventually I would like to try and find a genuine one that's actually original to this. And you have your hard floor brush. A little dirty, it's been used. But all the attachments are in relatively good shape. And on these, you have your exhaust filter. These were not very high filtration. I did cut down a generic Miele filter to put in here. Try and show you the rating plate on this. The canister is in pretty good shape. Could do with a wax. I did obviously wipe it down. I was actually really disappointed when I got it. Everything sounded okay, except the power nozzle sounded very deathly. But I opened it up because I didn't actually check it when I bought it. The bag dock was missing, and there was no bag in it. So somebody probably pulled the whole thing out and threw it away by accident. So I found a genuine bag dock that actually cost more than what I paid for the vacuum. And I had the Hoover S HEPA bags. I had 2 of them, and I think I washed this exhaust, or the pre-motor filter. So this thing runs pretty good. It's, nice and strong, good airflow now. So we'll give it a quick run, let you see it in action. You do have your suction relief here, down on your wand. And one of the things on these, what was I going to say? This one being the older version, you do not have the brush roll on off switch up here. It's a foot pedal down here. So we'll just give it a quick run, and I'll lift the power nozzle up and let you hear it. You know, the brush roll still needs a little help. Very smoothly. I'm very happy with it. Suction motor is really nice in this one. Just got to do a little work to that power nozzle and try and get the quad reflex to run a little more smoothly. But I think I can. I think I just got to take it apart and soak the bearings in it. I'll show you the cord retractor, how it works. Yeah. It doesn't work too bad, surprisingly. Slightly sluggish, but the fact that it's not broke on one of these is pretty amazing. I definitely seem to be pretty common, at least in my experience with them. I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.